Aalia Oliyath and I am going to be making French toast. I'll use 2 eggs, 4 spoons of sugar and 4 slices of bread. Let's start. I am beating the eggs with the 4 spoons of sugar. And now I am going to put some ghee in the pan so I can put the bread. And then I'll put the bread in the egg and place it over here. We have 4 slices of bread on the pan and now I'm going to flip it. I have fried 4 slices of bread and all 4 people will get it. So when I take 1 slice of bread, it will become 1 by 4. Oh, now I have guests and we have 8 people now. So I'm going to cut each slice of bread into 2 halves. I have cut the pieces into half and now there are 8. If I take 1 from this, the fraction becomes 1 by 8. Now every one of us get 1 piece each. It was fun taking this video. Thank you.